Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create donation form in Wix website. Before starting work, is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor and this is our contact form page. So we are going to add donation form. On left side you see multiple option and then you see add element, so click on it. So there are multiple ways to add this form. Now you see contact and form, so when we hover on it, now you see multiple option and then you see old form, you see donation form, pre-made form. If you want you can use this. Now you see donation form, so drag and drop here like this. Now you see donate now form added and then you see add new field. If you want you can add it and then you see form settings, so click on it. So we are using old form version. After that we are going to add donation field in new form layout. Now you see Wix form. Now you see setting, you see multiple option, email notification, submit message, so you can change message and then you see payment, so click on it. Now you see send visitor to checkout or submit, then click on get started. Now you see payment form setup. So we are using Wix free version, so you can upgrade your business plan and then you can add your payment gateway and connect payment. So this is our Wix old form. If you want you can use this. So we are going to delete it first and then we are going to add donation field in new Wix form layout. So click on delete. Now scroll up. So this is our Wix form in new layout. So click on it and then you see edit form. Again click on add element. Now you see contact and form. Now you see create new form or add existing form. So you can create new form, so you can add field according to requirement. So this is our old form. Now Wix are using new format for form layout. Now close. Click on it and then you see edit form, so click on it. So this is our new Wix form dashboard layout. Now you see. So this is our updated layout for Wix form. Now you see preview, setting. In setting you see form name, confirmation message, show message, and then you see advanced form validation. You see multiple option, limit submission. Now go to submission. Now you see submission. Now go to edit again. So we are going to add donation field. Now you see payment, so click on it. Now you see donation, so drag and drop here. Now edit, so you can add field title. So you can set donation amount static. So this is a static amount. If you want you can move position or delete or check as default, so it's up to you. And if you want you can add more amount static. Now you see allow custom amount, enable. Now you see field here, enter an amount, required field. If you want you can add field description for donation field. So we are going to add some text. Now you see donation text we added and then you see option layout. You see 2 column, 1 column, 3 column and then you see payment setting. So first click on save and then click on manage. Now save done, so click on manage. So we are in again setting and accept payment. Now you see manual payment. So we are using Wix free version, so you can upgrade and then add payment gateway. Now close. So it's up to you. If you want you can use Wix form old layout. If you want you can create new form layout and then add donation field and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.